All right, and it couldn't get any weirder. We are in the middle of rescuing this turtle. So we've been having some heavy rains, and this little guy, let me put, and just to show you the difference, this is Tort, a tortoise, and that is a turtle. So you could tell from the difference between the webbing, like Tort is made for land, and this guy is made for water. So he is aquatic, built for water, like I was saying, and Tort is made for land. Of all the animal rescues, I've never had both at the same time, so it's kind of funny. But you can see the difference. The shell, Tort is made for land, and this guy is water. Here we go with this guy, just to get a better look at him. He's cute in his own way. See his feet. You know, since we're working from home, I guess, at the end of the day, I'll take him by the river. He eats small fish, frogs,